Thank you for calling for your free estimate and moisture inspection. We have dispatched your first responder. With our specialized crews, you can rest assured you are in good hands. As soon as we arrive at your property, we'll address any safety concerns. Then, utilizing the latest technology, we will locate all the affected areas, whether it's carpet, hardwood, tile, walls, ceilings, cabinetry, or personal property. We dry it all. We will then begin or schedule our emergency services at your convenience to quickly restore your property. Once again, thank you for calling. Please do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.